If you are running a small business or managing a growing company, one of the most important features you probably care about is how easily you can deposit money. Today, we are answering a very specific and commonly searched question: does Relay Bank have mobile deposits? Relay is a popular online banking platform designed mainly for small businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs. It is known for its clean interface, multiple checking accounts, and strong integrations with accounting tools. But when it comes to handling checks, especially without visiting a physical bank, many business owners want clear answers. So let us get straight into it. Relay Bank does offer mobile check deposits, but with important conditions you need to understand before opening an account or relying on it for daily operations. Relay's mobile deposit feature is not automatically available to every new account. Instead, it is enabled based on eligibility. This means you must first open a Relay business account, use it actively, and then request access to mobile check deposits from within the app. Relay reviews accounts individually before approving this feature. Once approved, you can deposit checks directly using the Relay mobile app. The process is simple and familiar if you have used mobile deposits with other banks. You open the app, select mobile deposit, enter the check amount, take clear photos of the front and back of the check, and submit it for review. Relay processes deposits electronically, and the funds are typically credited within 1 to 2 business days, depending on the check and your account history. Newer accounts or larger check amounts may take slightly longer while Relay completes verification. Now let us talk about limits, because this is where many people get confused. Relay sets daily and monthly mobile deposit limits, and these limits vary depending on your business profile and account activity. For most small businesses, the limits are reasonable, but they may be lower than what you would find at traditional brick-and-mortar banks. If your business regularly receives very large checks, this is something you should consider carefully. Another important detail is the type of checks supported. Relay's mobile deposit feature is designed for standard business checks. Personal checks, third-party checks, or international checks may not be accepted. Always review the check requirements inside the app before submitting a deposit to avoid delays or rejections. So, who is Relay Bank best for when it comes to mobile deposits? Relay is ideal for digital-first businesses, online service providers, agencies, consultants, and startups that mostly deal with electronic payments but occasionally receive checks. If checks are not your primary source of income, Relay's mobile deposit feature works well and removes the need to visit a physical bank. However, if your business relies heavily on frequent check deposits or cash handling, Relay may not be the best standalone option. Relay does not support cash deposits at all, and mobile check deposit access is controlled and monitored. Some business owners choose to pair Relay with a traditional bank for cash-heavy operations. One advantage worth mentioning is how Relay integrates mobile deposits with its financial tools. Deposits automatically sync with your account activity, making reconciliation easier when you connect Relay to accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. This saves time and reduces bookkeeping errors. Security is another strong point. Relay uses bank-level encryption and verification during mobile deposits. Check images are securely transmitted, and suspicious activity is flagged automatically. This is especially important for businesses handling client payments. To summarize clearly, yes, Relay Bank does have mobile deposits, but it is a feature you must qualify for and request. It works well for most small businesses that occasionally receive checks and want a clean, modern banking experience without visiting a branch. Before choosing Relay, ask yourself how often you receive checks, how large they usually are, and whether you need instant access to deposited funds. If Relay fits your workflow, its mobile deposit feature can be a convenient and reliable tool for your business. If you are considering opening a Relay business account and mobile deposits are important to you, make sure to review their eligibility requirements and limits early, so there are no surprises later. That answers the question fully and honestly.